You know grammar, but you still can't speak English. The real problem is vocabulary. Today, I will teach you vocabulary from zero. Simple words you use every day. We will build from the ground up.
What is vocabulary? Simple definition. Words we know and use to speak, read, write, and understand a language. Why vocabulary is important. 3 points only. Speaking words. Writing words. Understanding words. Types of vocabulary. 1. Active vocabulary. Words we use while speaking and writing. Example: eat, go, happy. Passive vocabulary. Words we understand but don't use. Example: appreciate, examine, observe. Vocabulary by usage. Daily use words. Examples: morning, water, school, help. Academic words. Examples: education, examination, knowledge. Professional words. Examples: interview, resume, salary.
How to learn vocabulary easily. Learn 5 words daily, use words in sentences, revise before sleep, and speak without fear. English is not difficult. Vocabulary makes English powerful. Start small, stay consistent.